Hello everyone! For those who want to take their LEGO builds to the next level, Lightailing LEGO Light Kits are the perfect upgrade. Today I'll walk you through their product range and show you how to save on your next order by using our referral link in the description of this video. Lightailing specializes in custom LED light kits for various LEGO sets, from modular buildings to landmark replicas and movie-themed models. Their kits include plug-and-play lighting system with pre-assembled wires, USB-powered light strings compatible with LEGO sets, spotlights, street lamps, and interior light ups. Whether you are displaying a LEGO City, Star Wars model, or even Technic builds, Lightailing offers kits that will enhance every detail. They provide easy-to-follow instructions, making installation accessible even for those new to lighting modifications. Their website also showcases bestsellers and seasonal discount. So, to get your Lightailing discount, make sure to use the referral link in your description to this video as I mentioned at the beginning. You'll get up to 15% off your first order, plus possible bundle deals if you're lighting multiple sets. So, make sure LEGO creations shine bright and safe while upgrading with Lightailing's custom light kits.